Welcome to the installation guide. Let's walk through the wall assembly step by step. Wall panels and flex stone. These materials build the main surface of the wall. Slats and boards. They add depth and vertical rhythm. Raised panels for hidden lights. They define the illuminated center section. Triangles. These pieces complete the geometric feature wall. Start with the installation of wall panels and flex stones. Apply the recommended adhesive to the back by dots every 8 to 10 inches. Temporarily secure the curing panels and connections with painter's tape as shown in the picture. Measure and cut openings for outlets and switches. Use a utility knife or jigsaw. Drill 1/4 inch holes in the corners for cleaner cuts. Installation of slats and boards. Apply adhesive to the back of each board by dots every 8 to 10 inches. Installation of raised panels for hidden lights. Cut parts with the proper tools. Cut SPC panels from the face side, then snap them along the cut line against the table edge. Measure the TV bracket location carefully. Keep at least 52 inches between the panel levels, considering that the height of the covering panel will be 54 inches. This allows the top TV panel to overlap by at least 1 inch. Attach the acoustic felt sheets face down, adhesive side up. Use the adhesive and secure with finishing nails as shown. Use 18-gauge finishing nails, 2 to 2.5 inches long. 1 layer of felt raises the panels by 1/2 inch. Use 2 layers if TV panel will be used above the slats and boards. Cut the felt where the TV bracket will mount. The bracket must attach directly to the wall. Add 1 inch diameter extra holes in the felt where needed, then peel off the protective paper. Expose the adhesive before mounting the panels. Fill the holes with adhesive, leaving a small air gap for faster curing. Let the adhesive rise slightly above the surface to create anchor points to hold the panels. Carefully position the top panels into place. For best results, use a temporary level support. A straight 2x4 board will work well. It helps keep the panel level while the adhesive cures. Press the panels firmly into place. Then let the assembly set. Installation of triangles. Pull the wire through the opening in the piece with the LED groove. Then place the light channel inside the groove. Cut the LED strip only at the marked points following the instructions enclosed to the light package. Before mounting, build the pattern on the floor, then join the triangle pairs using the enclosed pins to make squares. Apply adhesive and mount the assembled sections. We're always here to help. For additional information, use the Installation section on our website or email to our support team.